Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a simple text logo. Before to do that, check the description below. I'm going to leave the font that we are going to use and the image that we are going to use as well. So download the fonts. When downloaded, save it on the on desktop. Double click it and extract to desktop. Click on extract and extract to select desktop and extract to desktop. I've already done that, but let's do it again. So yes, and that's it. That's our font. So to install your font, press on your window key, then type control panel right here. Open control panel. I'm sure you'll be on category. Move from category to large icons. From there you see font. Click on the font and it will open. So minimize your fonts box, then drag the Batman Forever into the font folder. I've already done that, so you just press on yes and it's gone. So it's saved. Now we have our Batman font well installed in our font box, so we can now close it and open our Photoshop. So let's create a new sheet. So we go to File, click on New and select click on the presets, select International Paper, then select A4. If yours is not A4, just select A4. Then for the width, type 297, and for the height, type 210 as the height, and change the resolution to 70 pixels and press on OK. So we have our sheet now. So double click on the background right here. Double click on the background and select OK, and it's gone. Click on your FX and select gradient overlay. Click on gradient overlay. So gradient overlay, click on the gradient color and select this particular one, the third one. Click on the third one and it will select. You can click on any empty area to just deselect it. So double click on gradient, double click on it, actually we are going to use white and black background, so you can just leave it that way. Okay, so for the star, select radar color and click on reverse, activate reverse and type in your angle to 160 and increase your scale to 150. And now we have our background well set, so you can click on OK. So we have our background as black and white, well radial. So click on your text tool or your horizontal type tool, click on it and click on desktop, click on your sheet and type FX type fx. Hold Ctrl plus A to select all. Click on your font box. Click on your font box right here. Click there and type Batman. It will automatically give you forever blah blah blah. And press on OK. Press and enter. Then boom, it's gone. So reduce your font style to 125 is cool. So now you can click on your correct sign right here. So click on your move to and hold Ctrl A. Hold Ctrl A to select all the desktop and click on your center alignment right here, the align horizontal center. Click on it and click on the vertical align center and 12 centered. So Ctrl D to deselect and boom, it's gone. So what next? Right click on your FX and retrieve the type. Click on retrieve type. Click on it and now we got it as an image. So now our FX is an image now. So pick your horizontal, pick your polygonal tool, polygonal lasso tool, select polygonal lasso tool, then click at the top of your text X, click one and move down to this area, press on it again, go to the edge, press, move top a little bit higher, click and end it right here, boom. So Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. We hold Ctrl J, or we right click and copy layer. You got it right here. So same applies to the next X. We click right here, we click at the, we click right here too, we click right here, we click right here, let it pass a little bit. Try and get a straight line. You click right here, then we click right here, we end our selection, select the FX, click on FX back to activate the layer. So click on FX and hold your Ctrl J to duplicate, or when selected you can right click then copy layer. It's the same thing. I actually use small shortcuts often, to make my work easier. So deselect Ctrl D. We select our rectangular marquee, select FX, we select the F right here, Ctrl J to duplicate, select right here too, we select our FX, Ctrl J to duplicate. So now we can delete our FX that we created earlier on, or we can just click on the eyeball, to hide it for the meantime, because we are not going to use it for now. But for us to get a backup, we can click on the eyeball, but you can wish to just delete the FX so that it's gone. So when I click on the eyeball right here, you see it's gone. So indicate layer visible. Now get them all one. So now it's set. So let's select our layer 1, double click on the layer 1, double click on the text to rename it to x1, enter. The other one to x2, enter. Then the f, we got f1, enter. Double click, f2, enter. So we got our layers were renamed so that we can easily identify them. So click on the fx and click on the x1, select the x1 and click on fx to add layer star. So click on fx and click on gradient overlay. So let's drag our tool right here. So in this situation, we select the first one or the second one, is the same thing. So we click on any place. So double click on it. Now we have a color. Select the black. Click on this tiny box to select color. Then click on the color so that we change the color. So when you are here, clean this hashtag right here and type 008AFF and press on OK. 008AFF. OK. Same applies to the white color right here. We click and we click on the color. You clean the hashtag and type 0032F. And now we have our color. Wow. Great. Press on OK. Then you can press on OK. So click on your blending options. Down there, bevel and emboss. Click on it. For the technique, click on the technique box and select chisel add. So chisel add, let's increase our depth a little bit to roughly let's increase it a little bit. You can scroll to increase it to 276. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And increase our size. Let's increase our size to, let's see, yeah, I think 81 is cool. 81 is cool. So click on your drop shadow, select the blend mode, select normal on your blend mode and reduce the opacity. Let's reduce the opacity a little bit. It's like 67. Yeah, 67 is cool. The distance should be roughly, let me see, yeah, 9 is cool. And the size should be, let's increase the size a little bit to 18 is too much. Let's see, 15. Yeah, 15 is pretty cool. So now we can click on OK. Now we are done with our first star. So in this situation, you can just hold your Alt key, move the mouse to the FX, and hold your mouse key and drag through them, and now you can close them by clicking the arrow down and arrow up just to move them up. So let's move our F1 downward a little bit. Yeah, so it's cool now. And now click on the X1, select your ellipse tool, click on Alt to give you all the shapes, and select your ellipse tool, then draw a shape around it by holding shift to get the same size. It's cool right here. Click on the fill and click on no color right here. Click on no color and increase the stroke. To let's say 24.0, 24.2. Yeah, 24.2 is cool. So we click on our move tool, right, hold Ctrl T to free transform, hold the edge by dragging, and add your shift key whilst dragging. Hold shift and the edge whilst dragging, so we can move our shape right here a little bit. We can increase it more just to fit. We should get it fit. Yeah, it's cool now. And now we can press on the arrow key right here, the correct key, or press on enter to just select it. So now we can apply the same effects on the ellipse tool. So we hold the Alt key and drag the FX, and we got it the same thing. So now click on File, open, and select your desktop, and open your lighting image right here. Whilst your move tool is selected, just drag your lighting tool to the main design that we are doing. So when it's here, click on the blending mode and change it to screen. And now we got it right here. So click on your mask tool, select your brush tool, and mask this area just for you to get the lighting only. So we can click back to our move to, drag it right here, use your arrow key to position it to the edge, Control J to duplicate again, we drag it right here, Control J again, we drag it right here, Control T to free transform, we move the edge by holding Shift key to get the straight line and press and enter to move to the edge. We duplicate our layer again, we move right here, Control T to free transform, we hold the edge and drag something like this, or enter, okay, we'll move to the edge, use your arrow keys to adjust it so that it will be on the middle, Control T again, move it right here, hold your Control T and adjust it to the top, something like this, correct, or enter. Now we got our logo right. Okay, let's apply same to the edges right here. So we click on our layer 1 copy, we duplicate, we move by holding Shift on in line, use your arrow keys to move it, duplicate it again, drag it through here to boom, get it correct. Now we have our FX logo ready. So now let's save it to desktop, click on file, save. Now we name it to logo tests, save it as PSD file so that in future we can edit it. We click on save, okay, click on file again, save as test2, we click on the format and change to JPEG at the top right here, and boom, we save it. The quality should always be 12, so you increase to 12 by dragging, or you can just type 12 right here and boom, it's done. So okay, let's check on the desktop. Boom, we got a nice FX logo. How did you see it, guys? Let me see your comments. Let me see your comments. If you have any question, leave in the comment box below. And don't feel hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Let's increase this channel so that we all enjoy more upcoming. So guys, alright, see you in the next tutorial and wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.